The man noticed a strange noise in his car and shocked the world when he discovered the truth about the noise. A man named John was driving one day when he suddenly heard a strange noise coming from inside his car. The sound was like a faint tapping continuously coming from the back seat. At first, he thought it was some items in the car shifting around, perhaps an unsecured backpack or water bottle. However, after a few days of observation, the noise persisted and seemed to be getting louder. John began to suspect that there might be a mechanical problem with the car, so he took it to the repair shop to have everything checked. But after a thorough inspection, the car's engine, brake system, and other key parts showed no issues, so he decided to investigate the source himself. He parked the car in a quiet place, carefully listening to every corner of the interior, and finally discovered that the sound was coming from beneath the back seat as he carefully opened the back seat. He immediately called the police to review the car. Watch part 2.